Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Performing and Visual Arts, SOPVA. Diploma in Theatre Arts, DTH. 3005 Manual of Classroom Play Production. Block 2 Classroom Play Production. Play 5 Narvanar. Chorus. There was a jungle. In the jungle there was a monkey and there was drum around his neck. 1. Monkey monkey sing a song. Monkey, thorn gone, razor came dham dham dham. Razor gone, fruit came dham dham dham. Fruit gone. Girl came dham dham dham. Girl gone, flower came dham dham dham. 2. Monkey monkey where did you get the flower from? Monkey, juggler gave it to me in exchange for the girl. 3. Monkey monkey where did you get the girl from? Monkey, the old man who ate the fruit gave me. 4. Monkey monkey where did you get the fruit from? Monkey, the fruit was given to me in exchange for the razor. 5. Monkey monkey where did you get that razor from? Monkey, the barber who picked my thorn out gave me. 6. Monkey, monkey where did you get the thorn from? Monkey, if monkey will do mischief in the beautiful jungle, hey, will be pricked by thorn or what will happen? Chorus. Thorn gone razor came dham dham dham. Razor gone fruit came dham dham dham. Fruit gone girl came dham dham dham. Girl gone flower came dham dham dham. 7. Monkey crying for worthless thorn, a monkey who does not eat the fruit and exchanges it for the old drum which is useless for him. Is this monkey has wit? Chorus. No. 8. Mind? Chorus. No. 9. Sense? Actor playing the character of monkey joins the chorus. 10. What about the humans? 1. Do they have brain? Chorus. Yes yes. 2. Do they have sense? Chorus. Yes yes. 3. Do they have heart? Chorus. Yes yes. 4. Do they have sugar? Chorus. Yes yes. 5. Do they have BP? Chorus. Yes yes, this and that and what not. 6. With all these abilities humans. 7. Scientifically. 8. Technically. 9. Spiritually. Chorus. From this and that and what not. 1. Touching great heights. Chorus. Touching great heights. Touching great heights. 1. Today, without adopting the Karma Yoga principle, man is doing his work without worrying about the fruit is progressing. 10. Man irrigates. 2. Man is building a house. 3. Creating states. 4. Fought great wars. 5. Have ruled the world. 6. Ripped the sky, touched the moon. 7. Chandrayaan 3. 8. Aircraft, rockets, buses, railways, steamers, metro. 9. Clock tower, temple, mosque, church. 10. Light, current, sofa, pillow, bed. 2. Job, authority, position. 3. Conference. 4. Mortar, pounder, clothes, slippers, blankets. 5. Jute industry. Chorus. Yes yes. 6. Cotton industry. Chorus. Yes yes. 7. Electrical industry. Chorus. Yes yes. 8. Electronic industry. Chorus. Yes yes. 9. Mechanical industry. 10. Civil industry. 2. Aeronautical industry. Chorus. Yes yes. 3. Chemical industry. 4. Biochemical industry. Chorus. Yes yes. 1. Petrochemical industry. 5. After doing all this, will the man sit silently? Chorus. No. 6. People are marrying. 7. Taking dowry. 8. Settling home. 9. Selling acres of land in feet. 10. Selling the land of feet in inches. Chorus. Man is great. Scene change. 1. Leads the family life in the house and if the house is not there, then he looks for it and the address is. 2. I am also looking for a house, but not to buy. I will stay in it. I will stay on rent. Bhai, is there any house here vacant? On rent? 3. Marriage? 2. Done. 3. Children? 2. 2. 3. Job? 2. In the factory? 3. Salary? 2. 10. 3. Penny? 2. No thousand. 3. Wife? 2. At home? 3. Children? 2. Young one at the house, the older one at school. 3. TV. 2. No. 3. Fridge. 2. No. 3. In the rhythm of the song, Almira, sofa. 2. Na na baba. 3. Dining table. 2. Na na baba. 3. AC, VC. 2. Na na baba. 3. Night or day. 2. Night. What do you mean? 3. Hey, your shift in the factory, is it at night or in the day? 2. Daytime. 3. Daytime, shift during the day, then see that, shows a place, proceeds to see the place and immediately comes back. 2. Oh bhai, there is someone in there. 3. What if he lives there? He has a night shift. 2. I don't get you. 3. I mean, shift system runs here. Those who work at night will stay here in the day and those who work in the day will stay here at night. 2. By the way, how many people will be there? 3. I'll tell, will tell, bhai it's time for your shift. Let's go. Chorus. Move move bhaiya, move a bit bhaiya. Move bhaiya, move a bit bhaiya. Why bhaiya, why bhaiya, why bhaiya? Why bhaiya, why bhaiya, why bhaiya? I can't do that, have day shift bhaiya. I can't do that, have day shift bhaiya. I can't do that, have night shift bhaiya. I can't do that, have night shift bhaiya. Move bhaiya, move a bit bhaiya. Move bhaiya, move a bit bhaiya. Barahat Mata ki jai. 2. It means I couldn't get a house. I have just seen a house. Can adjust but my wife won't agree to live in shifts. Chorus. Singing house is here, flat is here, bungalow is here. All for hire, all for hire. All for hire, all for hire. 3-month advance. Half is mine, house is yours. Half is mine, house is yours. 2. Oh my God, falls unconscious. 4. Oh bhaiya, do you want a house? 2. Yes. 4. Come I will show you the house, after walking some distance. 2. How far is it? 4. Right here, walks ahead. 2. How far more? 4. Right here, after walking. 2. How far more? Chorus. Right here, right here. 2. How far is it? Chorus. Right here, right here. 2. Where else? 4. Stops at one place, here, right here. 2. Where? Can't see any house here. 4. Down there, points to the ground. 2. Well, is it underground? This whole place is yours? 4. No, that's why I will build a house under it. 2. I doubt you. Angrily. 4. What? 2. I guess you are not crazy? 4. Without a doubt. Yes, I am crazy. I went really crazy while searching for a house like you. Holds his hands, both joins. The chorus. Your mind will be rotating. You will keep locating. Your mind will be rotating. You will keep locating. Your mind will be rotating. 1. That is how the man goes on living, drowning in the bliss. 2. If he have more money, he will build a house. 3. If he has less then, he will live on rent. 4. If nothing at all, then he can stay in the gutter under the bushes wherever he wants. 5. Can live happily. 6. Designs, plans and builds projects. 7. Builds great dams. 8. Builds big buildings. 9. Can arrange more facilities in less space. 10. Using his superbrain, he flies like a rocket. 1. That is how human knowledge has reached the 168th floor. 2. That is how human knowledge has reached the chorus, 168th floor. The 168th floor. 2. Which floor? 4. Don't know. You can count. 2. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 4. Oh ho. Count them while going down. First see the flat. 2. Looks around. Why is it so dark bhai? Is there no window or ventilation? 4. Well, there is a door in this flat, that is enough for you. If you put a window here, you will not be able to live. 2. Why? What is the matter? 4. Look, the dirty smell coming from the factory will enter your nose and you will go straight to heaven. 2. Okay, have somebody stayed here before? 4. 2. What? 4. Have stayed for 4 years. 2. Got transfer? 4. Oh no, he is in cancer hospital and in his wife's mental asylum. 2. And children. 4. What children? They died as soon as they were born. 2. Oh my God. 4. Hey, see, here is the kitchen. 2. What is this? You call the space below the stairs a kitchen. Kitchen. 4. This is shelf, this is sink, and that platform, here, this. I means that is bedroom. 2. Bedroom. My head, in the olden days our forefathers used to call it garret, attic. It means drawing room come. Storeroom come, is everything come is right here. Bathroom, where is the bathroom? 4. Where are you standing? See that shower on your head, tap next to it. 2. Okay, you didn't mention about drinking water. 4. What to mention? Are you new to the city? If water comes, you have to go down to the bottom and bring it. 2. Why? Won't it come up? 4. Who are you? Bam Bam Bhole, Gangaji will come for you. 2. Oh, no. Everybody laughs. Scene change. 1. That is how a man is living his life sweetly, joyfully. 3. No matter how small the house is, the heart of man is equally big. 4. No matter how much dirt is around, the heart is equally clean. 6. Relationships are not based on house. Relationships are based on emotions. Hello, brother-in-law. 5. Shaving. Listen, we have a guest at our house. 6. I am not a guest, yours only, one and only brother-in-law. 7. How are you, bhaiya? 6. Yes, everything is fine, give me some water. 5. You come after such a long time and asking for water? If you would have asked for liquor, we would have brought it for you. You can get liquor here but not the water. 7. You utter whatever comes to your mouth. 6. Brother-in-law is joking. 7. Take this water. 6. What is this? Really, is it a whiskey? 5. Your head, it is water. 6. No, it looks like whiskey. 7. Come on, drink it. 6. But then color? 5. Here we get like this only, you will not get drunk. 7. Listen, just look at him, he was so small in childhood, now. See how big he is now, so round, red. 6. May round, red, no. You have become black. Crow by drinking this water. Vomits. 7. Hey, where are you going? That's somebody else's flat. 5. Forwards his hands, come here and vomit in my hand. 7. Oh ho, he is not used to it, you keep making fun of him. 6. Falls down. 7. Hey, Chotu fell down. Chorus. Ram Nam Satya hai, Ram Nam Satya hai, Ram Nam Satya hai. Scene change. 1. A man is super supportive. He falls like that and stands up like that. 2. Even if he is hurt, he is not affected by it. Facing the difficulties of the world, the man moves forward. 3. Man is better than Bhole Baba. 4. Bholenath holds poison in his throat. 6. But the man holds poison in his entire body and stays calm and happy. 5. He buys the legs if he is without legs. 7. Hands, if he is without hands. 8. Ears, if he is without ears. 9. Eyes, if he is without eyes. 10. And, if a man dies, he buys another man. 1. A man earns money to buy, works hard to earn. Chorus. Strength yours, courage mine. Strength yours, courage mine. Strength yours, courage mine. Slum scene. 2-3 characters are drunk and singing a song related to rain, tripping, and holding each other. 9. Bhaiya, the rainy season has come, these huts have to be repaired. Did you save money? 10. From where? Whatever we earn goes into eating and drinking. 1. Talking about repairing hut ha. 9. What the hell, it stinks here. 10. There is no air to breathe here. 1. It will get more filthy during the rainy season. Another character comes. 3. Hey, what are you looking at? That labor colony is better than our colony. All 3. 0. 3. Big leaders are visiting there. 1. So what? They come here too. 3. Yes, they come, but they don't give money. They are Distributing money to make a huts in the labor colony. All three, money, money, money. Chorus, will get money to build a hut. Will get money to build a hut. Will get money to build a hut. A character walks around with his supporters waving in joined hands like. Politician. Supporter, Zindabad, Zindabad. Netaji Zindabad. Leader comes forward to address public. Assistant, sit down, all of you sit down. Everybody is here. Crowd, yes, yes. Namaste Netaji, namaste. Netaji namaste. Assistant, Netaji is going to talk to you all. Netaji, brothers and sisters, what is happiness, what is sorrow? Voice comes from behind. Voice, what is it? Netaji, everything is the same. If you stay at home in the rain, there is happiness, and if you stay outside in the summer, there is happiness. Whether it is at home or outside, everything is the same. If there is work, then there is sorrow in doing it. If it is not, then there is sorrow for work. Everything is the same. The manners of the world are unique. If there is no air, there is sorrow. If there is air, it is polluted, then there is sorrow. Whatever it is, there is air. Everything is the same. If we build a house, it is a Rajni. Cancel area. Assistant, to leader, Netaji, it's residential, to crowd, residential. Netaji, yes, same. If you build a factory, it is an industrial area. How does it matter? Land is same. That is why agree with me, vacate this land. We will construct a big factory here. Whether you stay here or anywhere, everything is the same. Voice comes from behind. Voice, Netaji, whether you are here or whether we are there, what difference does it all make? Everything is the same. Crowd, kill him, kill him, kill him. Crowd attacks the leader. Hit him, beat him, thrash him. Hit him, beat him, thrash him. Hit him, beat him, thrash him. Scene change. 1. Human beings are optimistic. 2. He loves, he worships. 3. Plant, tree, animal, bird, he loves them all. 4. Man loves man too. 5. If not today, then tomorrow. 6. That is how man has progressed exceptionally. 7. Enjoying the scent and smoke of factory smoke, he happily spends his life in the slums. 8. Sometimes he revolts. 9. He goes on strike. 10. Fights election and wins. 1. Discusses the problems to find solutions. 2. Organizes summits at the international level. Chorus, organizes summits at the international level. Anchor, we have organized the International Pollution Prevention Summit to resolve the problem of increased pollution levels in our country. Welcome scholars from all over the world. Let's start the discussion. 1. Plastic pollution is affecting the earth, rivers and oceans. We have to watch. 2. 10 million waste is going into the oceans. We have to watch. 3. Trees are set on fire to make pasture and farming in hilly regions. New trees are not planted. We have to watch. 4. If the plastic used is collected, it is enough to circle the earth 4 times. We have to watch. 5. So many animals are dying after eating polythene. We have to watch. 6. Every year 1 million seabirds die due to waste thrown into the ocean. We have to watch. 7. And not only that, due to plastic, every year about 1 lakh sea creatures die. We have to watch. 8. The smoke emanating from the garbage is poisoning the atmosphere. We have to watch. 9. Due to this, terrible diseases like TB, asthma and cancer are happening. We have to watch. 10. Due to plastic, flood situations are occurring in many rivers, drains and cities. We have to watch. 1. According to a report from the Central Pollution Control Board, India wastes thousands of tons of plastic every day. We have to watch. 2. Yes, pollution is not only in our country, but also in our hearts and minds. We have to anchor. Enough, enough, enough. We will see all of that later. We work responsibly, otherwise nothing would happen here. Chorus, to anchor, sir, 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 anchor, enough, enough, enough. We have already said we will watch and we will keep watching. Chorus, we have to watch, we will watch, we will continue watching. We have to watch, we will continue watching. Anchor, enough, enough. See you after a short lunch break. The chorus talks to each other in the same situation, which gives the impression of the crowd. The monkey comes bouncing, which creates chaos. Everybody tries to hurt and catch the monkey. Finally, the circle of the chorus becomes smaller around the monkey. Chorus, chorus increases the diameter of the circle. Monkey, monkey. All these people have accused you that you disturbed the conference. There was uproar and you committed a big robbery there. Do you accept your crime? Monkey, no, I don't. 1. Sir, does anyone admits his mistake? 2. This monkey is so ferocious that he can be a threat to not only our society but also our country. 3. I have to say that the intentions of this monkey are destructive not only to our country but also to the entire world and even the entire human race. 4. He is an international criminal and should be punished severely. Monkey, I know, you all will kill me. You have killed everything. Jungle, clean air, water. You kill the baby who is not even born. You do not even know that you are killing yourself too. 5. Sir, don't get swayed by his words, punish him immediately. Monkey, you want to know, what have I stolen? Look, your poly bags, your plastic cups, your plastic straws, and here's your plastic bottle. You use it and leave it wherever you want. Due to which rivers get jammed, pollution is spread and no one knows how many animals die after eating it and getting entangled with it. Do you know it takes 450 years to decompose? Chorus, so what do we do? Stop using it. What should we do? Monkey, number. If you can't get rid of it, then at least you use it less. Reduce plastic, refuse plastic, recycle plastic. 6. Really, this monkey is talking sense. Monkey, say no to single-use plastic. Chorus, say no to single-use plastic, say no to single-use plastic. Reduce plastic, refuse plastic, recycle plastic. Reduce plastic, refuse plastic, recycle plastic. Reduce plastic, refuse plastic, recycle plastic. The end. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.